All right. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of a very rare plant that I've been waiting for. Kind of a whim thing. Figured I'd do what everybody else does and unbox it for you. I've already taken off the tape because I wanted to take off the address label and all kind of came off together. So this is really hard to get out. Ooh, that's harder than I thought it was gonna be. All right. Oh, I see part of it. All right.
There it is, huh?
All right. Ooh. Oh, it's so pretty. In the words of Kaylee Allen, oh. Oh my gosh, there it is. Oh, my heart's beating.
That's crazy.
Super freaking fast. Okay. Very, very, very well packaged. All right, there we go. Look, oh, it's beautiful. Ah.
So what is it?
Minimal. This is a Monstera Adansonii Variegated. Oh, it's beautiful. Look, I'm like shaking. It's gorgeous. Okay. Now, I've been advised to just leave it, and can't help myself. So I'm gonna repot this, even though that goes against every video I've seen. Yeah, gonna repot this because I have my own things. I have my own experiments to run, and I don't want to hold off. It's just, yeah. So I have really bad experiences with moss. It's really hard for me to stay with sphagnum moss. So I have my own mix. I have a pot, just a regular terracotta pot, and I want to take a look at the root system. So let's gently. There's no roots coming out the bottom, so okay. All right. I'm a little bit like, what's his name? I think his name's Jimmy from the Monstera channel. What's his name? I forgot what his channel name is. Legends of Monstera. He doesn't sterilize stuff. He's pretty laid back. So am I. So, I mean, so.
Alright, go for it.
Rinsed the root system off. I don't know if it.
There you go. That's good.
Gosh, I am shaking. Oh, I've been waiting for this. I got this from PB. Oh, I cannot think. No wonder people do this. I see people do this in videos all the time. It's nerve-wracking doing this. All right. My mix is primarily coco coir, and I have really good experiences with it, so I'm going to continue to use it. Of course, I've added other amendments to it, and I'll get into that at a later date. But oh my gosh, I'm shaking. Like, I am shaking because I love this. Like, I freaking love this. I love it. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna wake up going, oh, like Kaylee Ellen. Oh, there's something caught. Something, oh, that's the coco coir. It fell and I just picked it up. Okay. That's good. The water will compact it as it needs to. All right. So there we have it. A beautiful Monstera Adansonii Variegated. Look at that. It's beautiful. I'm so happy. Let me look for her name. So I got this from PD Growtopia. She has phenomenal plants. She has a pink princess philodendron that she calls Pinkzilla. It has gorgeous variegation. It has gorgeous leaves. Everything is so healthy. I mean, this is the healthiest rare plant that I've seen. Yeah, she's amazing. So yeah. I couldn't be happier. Should I include another plant that I bought?
From her?
No.
Somebody else?
Yeah, just to have the footage.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Whatever's good.
Oh my god.
We'll take pictures of that.
Yeah.
No later date.
So this is one, I think this is the only one.
Oh, you bought it too? You're okay.
From another person. I don't know what this is. I buy a lot of crap. Oh, so this is a Hoya. This is a Hoya? Yeah, it's a Hoya. I thought it was two, but it's just one. I never had one, so I ended up getting it. It's a crimson. Is it Crimson Princess? I don't know what it's called. Crimson something. I'm all messed up. Wow, it's amazing how
That little plant is
Crimson
distracting.
Queen. What's distracting?
This one?
That one? Oh yeah. Of course, even the camera's like, you know.
This one.
All right, so look at this. Is a variegated, reverse variegated Hindu rope Hoya, or it's called a Hoya carnosa compacta, and when it grows out, it looks like a rope, and it's very pretty. And I just wanted a variegated one, so there it is. Apparently, it's usually variegated with the white on the edges. But that one, look. That one's gorgeous. Look. That one's pretty.
That's funny.
Like, it's gorgeous. Like, I'm shaking, look.
Yeah, I can see it.
Like, it's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. Like, I love it. It's beautiful.
That's That's crazy, dude. There we go. That's it. Pretty much now. Ta-da.